Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sayyida Iman Zahra, Sir HaisamJaved's former student.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Haniza Khan Furkhani and I am currently a student of AS.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Haisam Javed and I have been a student of Sir HaisamJaved.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Shahzad and I recently gave my CIs for Pakistan studies.
Today I'll be sharing a handful of habits with you guys that I implemented while preparing for my Pakistan Studies Cambridge exam.
Okay, for PhD, I would suggest कि आप लोग पहले चैप्टर को थॉरली पढ़ें और फिर आप प्रिटेंड करें कि आप उसको किसी को समझा रहे हैं बगैर देखे, ताकि आपको पता चले कि आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स में लूप होल्स कौन से, एंड देन हाईलाइट देम.
I studied really well for my test. टेस्ट से पहले मैं 5 पेपर्स करती थी और जो सर के लेक्चर्स थे मैं उनको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ती थी. And for mocks also, I did a lot of past papers, yearly past papers. I used to time myself. Then I studied दिन में and इफ्तारी के बाद I studied and then I used to sleep. Then I used to study after सहरी. And क्योंकि मेरी मॉक्स की इतनी अच्छी तैयारी हो गई थी और मैंने मॉक्स के लिए बहुत ग्राउंड पढ़ा था, I finished my syllabus before my mocks. तो मुझे CIs के लिए I only practice past papers and I feel like कि
तो अगर आपने पास पेपर्स ही सॉल्व नहीं किए होंगे तो आप उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस पे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. तो आप पास पेपर सॉल्व करें ताकि एग्ज़ाम में आप उन क्वेश्चंस को जल्दी जल्दी कर लें, और जो 20% या 10% जो आपने नहीं देखा हुआ होता उसमें आप ज़्यादा टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर सकें और आराम से उनको अच्छे तरीके से अटैम्प्ट कर सकें.
Starting with history, I used to completely understand the lecture given in class. Then I would read and review the extensively detailed notes provided by Sir Haisam. Once done with memorizing the key words and main points, I would practice past paper questions with a timer. For 7 and 14 markers, using adverbs like however, therefore, moreover, etc. was also very helpful in constructing separate paragraphs.
So that tip is especially for history to make a timeline of all the events that you've studied. So as far as I remember, the events start from 1600. So you make a timeline in such a way that you write the year and then you write all the events that might have happened in front of that year. So that helps, so that becomes a checklist for you before your exams. So you may not be missing out on any event that you might have studied or might be included in your syllabus, and it makes sure that you've gone through all the details that are included in your syllabus.
Major tip that I like giving anyone who is about to appear for their CIE exams, especially for Islamiyat, PST and Urdu, is that practicing past paper questions. Many questions are likely to be repeated, so if you practice past papers, you are likely to get hold of the type of questions the examiner asks, and it's really gonna help you a lot. Secondly, don't waste your time and do not start last minute. It's definitely gonna make you stressed out. You have around 2 months left till your CIs approximately, so I would say start right now. Don't think that you have a lot of syllabus left and you won't be able to do it. If you make a proper timetable, if you start and if you just believe in yourself, you are most likely to be able to get good grades.